I wanted to show you of an illusion.
We're heading back.
We need to go after him now. Sir, I don't think I'm up for this. You'll be fine, soldier.
Blue, what brings you here? I need your help with something, Rexy. It's something bigger than this. That was perfect, Roberta. You're making it great for the both of us. I'm sorry. I haven't found them.
Damn it! We lost her! And now this?
Good luck with that plan.
No, this time we take it to them.
Let me show you my true power.
She died because of you!
Can't do it like that, Rexy.
He's running! Why is he running?
Let's end it together.
Run!
Rexy, there's someone out there. We do it together.